Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating my favorite drink from Starbucks, the iced white chocolate mocha. If you're new to my channel, my name is Angela and I am a third-year teacher here in Southern California who is obsessed with Starbucks. I will probably have maybe one a day or two a day, and I usually get the iced white mocha, but I also like the teas and refreshers as well. So during the quarantine, I decided to learn how to recreate my Starbucks drink from home so I can save a little money, stay home, and when school starts again in the fall, our district will be starting online only, so I don't have to go out and get Starbucks in the morning. I can just make it myself at home. So if you want to learn how to recreate your very own Starbucks iced white mocha from your very own kitchen, just keep on watching. Okay, let's first start out with all of the ingredients that we're going to need. When I go to Starbucks and get my iced white mocha, this is how my order looks like. So my favorite Starbucks drink is the venti iced white mocha with half and half, no whip, extra ice, and an extra shot because I need it. So that's the drink that we're going to be creating today. It's going to be a venti, so the sauces are going to be a little different. So first you're going to need your own espresso machine. I got this one on Amazon and it is the Delonghi brand. And I tried making my iced white mocha or iced coffee from my Keurig, which is over there in the corner, but the type of coffee that it makes, it's not as rich or strong. It's almost lighter or airy. Oh, my disclaimer is I am not a barista, so I am going to just be creating it as a teacher who desperately needs her coffee, who also needs to save money as well. So this is the coffee machine that I use, and it's really easy to work with, especially for a beginner, so I will link it down below if you are interested in getting your own espresso machine. I very much recommend you invest in one of these because the amount of coffee that you can make from it, it far outweighs the price, which I think mine was about $150 to $200, I think. But invest in your coffee machine, your coffee, and your Starbucks recreation. Well, thank you. The next thing you're going to need are your coffee beans, and this is the one that I use, and I think this is the only one that will taste as good as the Starbucks iced white mocha because I've tried using the house blend from Starbucks, not the greatest. I've tried using the Trader Joe's fancy organic coffee espresso blend. No, not the greatest at all. This one, I got it at Target and it's the only one I found that makes it taste exactly like Starbucks espresso roast. So definitely get this one. The next most important item that you're going to need, actually everything's pretty important, that is most important in making your drink have that white mocha taste is this Fontana White Chocolate Mocha Sauce. I got the sauce off of Amazon and I will tell you it's kind of pricey. It's about $40, but I promise you it's worth it and you can make so many drinks with this, so it will pay off in the long run, I promise. And I've researched and tried so many different white chocolate sauces or creamers and syrups, and this is the only one that tastes exactly like Starbucks. And I think I saw somewhere that Starbucks uses this brand. I don't know if that's true, but it tastes pretty similar. And it expires pretty quickly. I got this one, I think a week ago, and it expires October 10th of this year. So that's in 2 months, I think. So that's coming up pretty soon, but I go through this whole sauce in a couple of weeks, so I'm not worried about that. Also, I'm a huge peppermint person, so I add a couple pumps of the Starbucks peppermint syrup to my drink to make it an iced white peppermint mocha. I would definitely try it. It tastes like Christmas in a cup, and you can drive around to Starbucks and ask if they sell the peppermint syrup. Some will say no and some will say yes, so just keep on trying. Don't give up. So the last thing you're going to need is any form of milk, so you can use regular milk, whole milk, almond milk, or half and half, which is what I use. It makes it taste so much creamier and better, so I would recommend using half and half. I usually keep the white chocolate sauce refrigerated, but for today I brought them out So for a venti iced white chocolate mocha, you would do 6 pumps of white chocolate, but because I want to add a little peppermint in there, I'm going to do 5 pumps of white chocolate and do 1 pump of peppermint. So I usually use my reusable cup for my iced white mochas, but for today's demonstration, I washed one of my old Starbucks cups drinks just to make it a little more official. For a venti drink, there's usually 3 shots of espresso, but I like my coffee a little stronger, so I'm going to add another shot and make it 4 shots of espresso. So this coffee machine comes with different espresso filters. So this one has 1 shot of espresso, and the one that's already in my filter already has 2 shots in it. So I'm going to get 2 scoops of the coffee grounds, put it in my coffee filter, tamp it down, not too hard, not too soft either, and put it in my espresso machine. Oh, first I gotta turn it on. For my espresso shots, I wait 20 to 30 seconds, or I've kind of eyeballed it where I stop at this point right here. Alright, so I have my 4 shots of espresso in. I'm going to give it a little stir. Next, we need to add our half and half. So my espresso shots came up to this line, and I'm going to add my half and half until it hits this line. I don't really like my coffee too half and halfy, if that's even a word. If I put in too much half and half, it overpowers the taste of the coffee, which I do not want to happen. So I stop pouring my half and half when it reaches this color, because I don't want to add too much. All we need to do is add in some ice and the lid, and we're done. Alright, so here is the final drink. This is a little less than how I usually get it at Starbucks, but it's because I put in less half and half. You can definitely put in as much half and half or milk as you'd like. I put in a little less because I like my coffee a little more stronger, or I like tasting the coffee more, but it's definitely up to you. It tastes exactly like the iced white mocha at Starbucks, but even better because I put a little bit of peppermint into it, so it tastes like Christmas in a cup. So definitely try out the peppermint or keep it regular iced white mocha. Either way, it's gonna taste amazing. So this drink is perfect if you wanna make your own coffee at home, save some money, or if you're teaching from home this fall, you have your Starbucks right in your kitchen. Alright, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next one.